Voice Memos is an app that allows for audio recording. It's very useful if you want to record your thoughts, your ideas, or any kind of message that you'd like to send to your students. It's an app that is native to Apple devices such as iPads, iPhones, and Mac computers. Now to launch it, you have to press on the app right here. Once that's done, you get to this page and you'll see a red circle right there. That's going to allow you to record. So I'm going to record a little something. Hi, my name is Kish. It's a beautiful day outside. Once you're done, you press right here on done. Now, have a listen. Hi, my name is Kish. It's a beautiful day outside. Once you're done, you press right here on done. There you go. Now, if you're satisfied with your recording, what you can do is just give it a formal title, because right now it's named New Recording 3. So I'm just going to tap twice on New Recording 3, and now I can give it a brand new title. I'm going to call this one Beautiful Day. There you go. Now, once you're done, you need to export this to be able to share it if you want to, or you could just leave it there. But as a teacher, you'll probably want to export this. So on the top left corner right here, you have the export option, which is like a square with an arrow that points up. So you press here, and right here you have different suggestions of different locations of where you could export your document, your file. So I'm going to go and press on the three dots right here to see all the suggestions, and they're right here. So you can see that I can export this in Google Drive right here. If you have a Google Classroom right there, you could export your file there. I also have explained everything. If ever I'm doing a screencast and I need to embed an audio file that I just recorded. So you have a lot of options, and that's it. That's how you create and export an audio file using Voice Memos.